Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and thank you all so much for coming by and watching, and thank you all so much for your comments. Please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And today I have my other Boxycharm Premium. This box weighed 2.3 pounds, and I got variation 3. Wow. Okay, that's about as low down there as you can get. Let me get my calculator, because I know some of you like to know what the box ends up being valued at. So the first thing I got is this palette, and this one will be going into a future giveaway, so I'm not going to open it. I will try to remember to leave a link above if you want to see what it looks like on the inside, because I did just do my other premium and it had this in it, so this is going in a future giveaway, and that retails for $48, and this is also going in a future giveaway. It is the ice roller. Yeah, it's exactly the same. This retails for $18, so let me add that. And it says, this ice roller is your new at-home facial. Made with high-quality surgical stainless steel, it helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for best results. These will probably go, I will probably do those in a November. I don't want to overlap too many giveaways, and I have two that I'm fixing to start that I've already got set up to start. So these will probably go as soon as I end the other one that the other two that I'm fixing to start. So we will see. Hopefully, I'm also going to be putting up for some things that for my 500 giveaway, when I finally get there, I was going to start showing a few of those items also. So we will have to see, but that will probably be, I just don't want to have it overlapped and make it confusing to you all, since I'm already got the two. Ooh, this is a Marc Jacobs, since I've already got the other two set up to start. This is, look at the pretty packaging. It's got that pretty glass, or I think it is glass. I was going to say a really hard plastic, but it feels like glass. Okay, this is valued at $29, and this is in the color Sugar High 382. It says the Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer is formulated with a breakthrough triple shine complex and high performance polymers that transform color pigments into a hydrating gloss, enriched with antioxidant-rich superfoods and cell-repairing phytonutrients, plus vitamins A and C. Unprecedented shine and unstoppable wear. Again, this retails for $29. I have never tried this brand. Put a little bit on, and y'all can see it. as I finish the last few products. So there is the color. Again, that is 382 Sugar High. Okay, so we got that. And then I got the old, this was my choice, the old Hendrickson Transform Plus fights all major signs of aging, instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHAs and Nordic birch sap. And this retails for $50. And then I got the Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. Increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, antioxidant protection. This is 1 full ounce, and this retails for $55. And there's what that looks like. I know I love pretty packaging. I may try some of this later tonight. Which I mean, it's getting pretty late, but I wanted to get several of these done for you all for now, because like I'd said before, my mom has been sick. She got really sick and had to be rushed to the hospital and just about died. And they said her potassium was so high they could not believe that her heart had not stopped before she even got to the hospital. And tests have shown the reason it's so high is because she's in stage 3 kidney failure. So, oh, I got hair stuck to, or something stuck to my lips. That is, it's not as sticky as some, but I like it. I had fuzz or something that got stuck to my lips, but it doesn't have the real sticky, you know, that real sticky, almost like when you put your lips together, you can almost like see it stringing. That's really gross. This one doesn't do that. So the last thing I got is the Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. So this I like, which I mean, some of the items I already are repeats that I got in my other box, and like I said, they will go in a future giveaway. But I was glad to get this. I like body scrubs. That retails for $18.95. So this whole box retails for $218.95. So the value is there. Some of the things I will use and some of the things I will share. This says, Vacation Glowing Skin. Right this way, babe. I'm a natural vegan body scrub here to give you vacation glowy skin all year round. With a blend of coffee and essential oils, I'll work my magic on stretch marks, scars, and dry skin to leave you as free as a palm tree. Exfoliates, smooths, and tones for real and imaginary vacations. Made with roasted coffee grounds, grapeseed oil, and jojoba beads. That sounds very interesting, so I am eager to try that. So I got that, and then of course I got these two that are going to go into a future giveaway. I will probably put something else with those. And then I got the O. Hendrickson, the facial oil, and the Marc Jacobs I did order a few. I think I've got a few different colors that are coming in the add-ons to try out for you all. So when they get here, I'll be doing those. I like lip glosses. They're not drying. I don't like dry lips. So all of that, like I said, retailed for $218.95. So yeah, the value is there. So that was my premium. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all very soon. I love you guys. Hope you're having a great weekend. Bye-bye.